Hello. Financial management, or unfortunately, in the government's case, mismanagement, is very much in the news. Rising inflation, energy costs and interest rates are straining the finances of families, businesses, schools and public services. I want to outline how Richmond Council's finances are affected and what this might mean for council tax and council services. The first thing to say is that we start in good financial shape. Over the past 4 years, your current council administration has improved financial reserves, stabilised borrowings and delivered a £15 million savings programme. We've also kept council tax increases below the level allowed by the government. The strong reserves position allowed us to announce a £3 million additional spend this year to help tackle the cost of living crisis. But inflation is putting huge pressure on our plans for next year. We're seeing higher social care costs, housing rents, energy bills and construction costs. At the spending review last year, government plans assumed inflation of under 4%, not over 10% as we're seeing now. We're looking at a £16 million budget gap for next year, and we can't rely on extra money being available from this government, as they're talking about cutting spending across all areas of public service. The good news is that we can use our reserves to help ease the pain to some extent, but reserves can't be used forever. Income and spending have to be brought into balance before too long. We are cutting costs through IT savings, reducing the amount of office space that we use, and focusing on energy saving measures. But we will now have to challenge all council departments to deliver more savings on top of existing plans. And whilst we are very aware of the pressures on household budgets, we will almost certainly have to raise council tax. Although to what extent, we can't say until we see the final government settlement later this year. Your council remains well managed financially, and this administration has been setting responsible and balanced budgets, whilst also delivering our key priorities. But it is only right to warn Richmond residents now about the effects of high inflation, and that unless extra government funding is received, we will, in common with all councils, face some difficult decisions. If you are struggling now, help is available. You will have received one of these leaflets through your letterbox, so please read it to see what support you can access. And if you follow us on social media, keep an eye out for the red umbrella. Wherever you see it, there will be information to help you through this difficult time.